All right, let's do this. If you do get stung, just don't panic.
Just deep breathe, right?
Right. This thing may be glued shut too. Or not. There we go. Not too bad, huh?
Oh my goodness.
Pick out some honey. There you go. These bees are aggressive. Oh yeah. They're all over. What's that? Yes. Yeah, that right there is going to be really good honey. Yeah. Oh, you got quite a bit there. These ones are very aggressive. So what I would do now is just go ahead and start spraying in that hole. Yeah, now lift the lid and go ahead and spray all the bees that you can get once you lift the lid. Alright, hold on 1 second.